Today we're going to visit a house and lot project. It is called Vista de Bahia in Consolacion. Our house tour will be the Azaria ready for occupancy unit. Now in this subdivision, 80% has already been sold. And we have 4 units to choose from: the Azaria, Hananaya, Daniel, and Mishael. So, let's get inside the Azaria. That is Marge, my lovely wife. The garage is pretty big. Look at the entrance. Interesting entrance. There's a toilet on the ground floor. There's a kitchen counter, the deliverable, and that is supposed to be the first bedroom, or the maid's quarters, or a room for your older parents, or a guest room even. This is bedroom 1. Big bedroom. Bedroom 2. And finally, the huge master bedroom with a wonderful view of the entire subdivision. This Azaria model unit, or the ready for occupancy, is 6.2 million. Reservation is 50,000 and the down payment of 20% can be paid in either 12 or 18 months. Same goes for the other units. Down payment can be paid in 12 to 18 months. There is also an option where you can pay the down payment of only 10%, but only for 12 months, and the remaining balance can be loaned through the bank. So that's it. That's our house tour of Vista de Bahia in Consolacion, Cebu. If you have any questions, any inquiries, please don't hesitate to comment down below, or you can DM me on my Instagram. That's it. See you. Bye.